When you look at my withdrawable balance, you can actually see I have over 80,000 naira. Now when you go ahead to look at my main balance, I have over 7,000 naira. Now on this platform, every single day you can accumulate 1,050 naira for yourself. Now in total of 50 days that have been accumulated to you, you'll be making a total of 52,500 naira. In the previous month, we talked about SLB shares. Now this particular SLB shares platform actually make a lot of us had different shares right on this platform, and this platform actually lasted for 4 to 5 months. Now the SLB shares are here again with an opportunity for you to have shares with them. Now in this particular platform, all you actually need to do is to get your shares and actually accumulate your earnings for yourself. Now withdrawals are also placed every single day. I'm just going to be showing you what works. With the review so far, this will be an opportunity for all of us. Now before I take you down to my screen and show you how this platform works, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, this is Cash Value, and so what we do right here is to explain and show you reviews of platforms that actually are paying online. Now in exchange of the value you'll be getting in this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. Now I'm also going to make this video a giveaway video, just one person. I'm going to be creating an account for yourself and also funding your account. Just mention the number of times you saw the subscribe button on the screen. Now the first person to get this, I'll be funding your account and also creating an account for you on this particular platform. I urge you to pay close attention to what I'm going to be showing you right now so you don't make mistakes or find it difficult in creating your account. Now once you come right here, you're going to be seeing the Addison register. Now this is a share company, just like what I said. You are going to be part of the shareholders of this particular platform. Now what you just need to do is to enter a mobile number. Yes, your mobile number, you omit the first zero of your mobile number. Omit the first zero of your mobile number, put your password right here, then click on send. Now an OTP will automatically generate for you and be filled on this space that is written OTP code. All you just have to do is to click on register, then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. Just click on send and OTP will be sent directly to this box automatically. You don't have to leave this page, it will be filled automatically, and click on register and your account will be created. Now once you've created your account, the next thing that will be asked of you is to log in. Now click on log in and you input that details you actually used in creating your account. Put in your mobile number, put in a password. I recommend you put in password you will always remember. So once that is done, you click on log in. So like I showed you, I have a withdrawable balance of 80,000 naira on my account. Now I also have an available balance of 7,000 naira on my account. So what you have to do right now, you can actually come down right here and see home, buy shares, tax and club. Now you're on this platform, you just need to be part of the shareholders. Okay, now the very first thing you need to do is to come right to where it says deposit. But before you go over to deposit, you just need to come over to buy shares. Okay, so once you click on buy shares, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now you can actually see that we have several shares you can buy on this platform. You can actually see when you get this particular one for 3,500 naira, you'll be getting a daily profit of 1,050 naira. Now in total of 50 days, you'll be getting 52,500 naira for yourself. Okay, you can see on sales it is actually active. That is what they mean. Now when you come down to this second one, you can actually see you can get it for 7,000 naira and your daily profit will be 2,170 naira. Now in total of 50 days, you'll be getting 108,500 naira. Okay, and it's also on sales. Now when you come down to the third one, you can actually see you can get it for 14,000 naira. You can go on and see some of these packages right here to unlock for yourself. And the sweetest thing about this is that in less than 3 days, you're getting your capital back from this platform. Now when you come down to VIP, you can actually see that this VIP status reads benefits. Now these are the benefits of this VIP. When you get this benefit for 3,500 naira, you'll be getting a daily profit of 1,750 naira. Now your total profit will be 8,750 naira in 5 days. That is the essence of the VIP, just for 5 days. Now when you move over to limited time product, you will start. They have not yet updated that for now. But before you go ahead getting any of these shares, you just need to come over to your account where you can actually see personal. Once you click on personal, you will see deposit. So once you click on deposit, you can actually see that you can deposit from 3,500 naira down to 500,000 naira. So what you just want to do, depending on how much shares you want to buy on this platform. Just go ahead to input that. You can go ahead to click on 35, then come down right here, you're going to be seeing official recharge 1. Just go ahead to click on that. Just come right here, you're going to be seeing the details that explain how you're going to be funding your account. They said do not change the recharge amount. Changing the recharge amount is not allowed, so bonuses will not be credited. To activate each recharge, it must be done through this page. Do not skip saving the bonus. Okay, so the bonuses that you'll be receiving after registering on this platform, you still need to purchase any of these shares. Just come down to recharge now. So once you click on recharge now, this page is going to load and proceed to the next page. Okay, now the next page is going to display an account number to you. Okay, these are the account details. These are all what you need. Transfer the exact amount of 3,500 now. So once you've done transferring this amount using your bank app, all you just have to do is to come down right here and click on I have made this bank transfer. Come down right here and see the payment guide. Read through all this. In less than a few minutes, this money will be reflecting on your account. Now when you have this money reflected on your account, all you just have to do is to come down to buy shares. Okay, so once you click on buy shares, you're going to be getting any of these shares you have actually purchased, the amount related to it. As you can see that the minimum is 35, and we have several of these shares you can get right on this platform, and the daily profit to be getting, also the duration of the days to be getting this. After funding your account, just like what I have on my account, I have 7,000 naira. You just have to come under long-term products and you click on view now. So once you click on view now, it's going to take you over to the interface where you need to purchase these particular shares. You can actually see the breakdown and the details of what you need to know on getting these shares. So what you just need to do is to come down right here and click on buy now, and it's going to ask you to confirm to buy these shares. Just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to be activated right on your account. As you can see right now, this is the active shares I have on my account. Now you need to go back also. So after going back, you still need to come to the VIP. Okay, now this VIP also is 3,500 naira. So what you just need to do is to also come down and click on view now. So once you click on view now, you're going to be seeing the breakdown and the details also. The next thing you want to do is to come down and click on buy now. It's going to ask you to confirm this. Come right here and click on confirm, and it's going to be purchased right on your account. Now my advice for you on this account is to purchase the long-term product 1 and purchase the VIP 1. Okay, so my advice for you is to purchase the long-term product 1 and also the VIP 1, just to maximize your earnings on this platform. When you come down to club, you can actually see that there are several withdrawals. This person says thanks so much, first day and first withdrawal received with thanks, may God bless CEO. Let me click on this. You can actually see the withdrawal proof from this person. Now when you come down to this particular interface, you can actually see several withdrawals, payment received. This platform just launched yesterday. Okay, now you can actually start now and start leveraging this platform. These are the withdrawal proof of different individuals that have started using this platform immediately. You can go ahead to load more. These are withdrawal proofs right on this platform. You can see the amounts received from individuals, so you can start now and start leveraging this platform. Now when you come down to personal, that is where you can actually see the available balance you have and the withdrawable balance you have. Now before you can go ahead to place withdrawal, all you just have to do is to come over to bank card. You need to bind your account details before you can be able to place withdrawal. Now just come right to select your bank right here. Let me say OPay, but right now I will advise not to use OPay for your withdrawals because OPay is having issues. So right now I'm just going to click on Kuda. Okay, so I will not advise you to go for OPay because right now OPay is having issues. And so the next thing I want to do is to enter my full name right here. So what I'm going to do is to just enter my full name right here. So the next thing you want to do is to enter your bank account number. So I'm just going to paste my Kuda bank account number and come down right here and add bank card. So once you go ahead clicking on add bank card, your bank card information updated successfully. Now the next thing we want to do right now is to place withdrawal, since we have actually linked our bank details to this platform. Now come under withdraw. You can actually see that I have 80,000 naira for withdrawal. So what I just need to do is to input the amount I want to withdraw, enter my withdrawal password, then enter my bank card. Now your bank card right here is the link account details you have actually linked to this platform, as you can see. So you need to link your bank details to this platform before you can come right here to place withdrawal. Now before I go ahead placing withdrawal, you can actually see a little explanation about this platform. Every day from 9 you can place withdrawal down to the end time of withdrawal. So the minimum withdrawal is from 1,200 naira upward. You can withdraw up to 1 times per day. That is, you have several times of withdrawal on this platform, not like other platforms that actually requires you to withdraw just once a day, and the transaction fee is 5%. And so what I'm going to do right now is to come right here and input the amount I want to withdraw, which is 80,000 naira. So I've inputted the 80,000 naira right here. Now I'm going to input my password. Now I'm going to come right here and select the bank card, which is my Kuda. I have actually linked to this platform. So the next thing I want to do is to click on withdraw. As you can see, it's actually loading. So you can see withdrawal request submitted successfully. So I'll be expecting 80,000 naira to credit my Kuda account, and I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof. Guys, when you come to my Kuda account, you can actually see that I just got credited instantly. You can see this. The 80,000 just entered, and stamp duty was taken out. That is why you're able to see the 15 naira stamp duty that was taken out from this transaction. As you can see, now I have a total balance on my Kuda account of 76,000 naira. Exact amount of 80,000 naira was credited to my Kuda account instantly. Only those that started SLB the previous month will understand how their company works. So my advice for you is to start immediately. And remember, this is a fresh update. Starting today, starting right now, will be of benefit to you. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where you can actually ask me some questions and I'll give you response to it. Okay, and so see you on my next video, and keep winning.